I'd like to say, running is not only about running. I see running in township, it's getting bigger and better, and I love it because of these development clubs. I see it as a crime combat. You know, they said it right, Hori, like we see it with socio-economic issues in South Africa nationwide, but running takes it away, you know. If you can take one child away from the street through running, you're doing better, you know. So I really hope going forward, like you're saying, because of back in the past, Ga-Rankuwa here in SMU, he used to host runs like your 10K, your 21. Those things are not longer there in our running calendars. I hope these runs that they're going to be launching, they can also put it on the AGN calendar and they can notify it. And also, in closing, I'd also like to urge you, the AGN officer, I hope they're listening, that because not all runners can afford these races. They can at least maybe tone down with the prices because they're hiking, they're like, you know, they're inflated up. So those are my words. I really hope that the running price money can easily go down for runners who can't really afford, because it's really costing. A person would say, I couldn't go to a run because it was expensive, only to find out that person is an idiot. You know, for instance, you pay 250, you win 250. I mean, where's the logic in that? So I really hope that the board is listening. We now have the new elected president, John Matani. I hope he's listening. Durrell, the GM, I hope they're also listening. Everybody, the office, I just hope they can come up with something, you know, for everyone. Actually, I'm not only speaking about runners who are disadvantaged, but for everybody, because like the running calendar has completely changed. I really hope that they can bring change and bring back the old runnings, you know. So yes, those are my last words.
Yeah, come on.